to take the leaf out of that book and make every video or song or in film and what have you have a reflection of who we are. Have a reflection of who we are. And you can do this. So very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, thank you and congratulations once again to the organizers for the Regal Film Festival and Awards. And now, on behalf of everyone who was here in this industry before us, on behalf of those of us here today, and on behalf of those who will benefit from what we are doing here today, I join my sisters here to declare the 2025 Regal Film Festival duly launched. Strong foundation of corporations industry on the continent is going to fly and let the world take a second look at who we are. And thank you very much for your attention.
And thank you very much, the Honorable Minister, for